special series and set of all natural numbers. It is denoted by capital N. Usually in textbook it is written in bold font. Initially take first two natural numbers, that is 1 and 2. Sum of first two natural number written as 1 plus 2, which gives you 3. Take first three natural number. Sum of first three natural number is 1 plus 2 plus 3. This is 3 plus 3 is 6. Now take first four natural numbers, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Sum of first four natural number is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. This is 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4 is 10. Now I am going to take first 10 natural number from 1 to 10. Sum of first 10 natural number, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10. I want to add this. How I can add this right now? Now 9 plus 1, 110, and 8 plus 2, 3 plus 7, 4 plus 6, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55. Now take first 100 natural number. We want to add it up. Sum of first 100 natural number. 1 plus 2 plus 3 goes on up to 100. Is it possible for us to find the answer right now? Yes, this is possible for us to find the answer, but it takes time. Now observe all the series. There is a pattern following in each and every series. We want to find that pattern. Using that way, we have to calculate this one with less time. Now observe this. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. What is the last number here? 2. I am going to write the pattern 2 into 2 plus 1 whole divided by 2. That is, I am taking this 2, adding 1 to it and dividing by 2. I will get 3. Now take what is the last number in the series? 3. I am going to take 3, adding 1 to it, 3 plus 1 whole divided by 2. That is 3 into 4 whole divided by 2. It gives you 6. For here, what is the last number in the series? 4. Take 4, adding 1 to it gives you 5 whole divided by 2. Now this is 5 2s are 10. For these three series you will get the same answer. Here also, see what is the last number in the series? 10. 10. Adding 1 to it gives you 11 whole divided by 2, which is actually 55. The same way you can get the solution here also. What is the last number in the series? 100. So 100 into adding 1 to it gives you 101 whole divided by 2. 2 table 100 is 50. Now if you multiply you will get answer 0505 50. So such a way you can get the answer easily. This is sum of first n natural numbers. Formula is 1 plus 2 plus 3 goes on up to n. N can be any natural number, that is the pattern is true for any natural number. For this I am using one variable n. This can be any natural number. Pattern is that last number in the series is n. So n into n plus 1 whole divided by 2. This statement can be proved by the method of principle of mathematical induction that you will study in your 11th standard. Even I can prove this by using algebraic formula a plus b the whole square. For the first class I don't want to touch the derivation part. Later classes I will give you the proof for this statement. Now first problem. Find the value of 1 plus 2 plus 3 goes on up to 50. In words, I can say sum of first 50 natural numbers. How to find the sum of first 50 natural numbers? Same way, use this formula. 1 plus 2 plus 3 goes on up to 50. What is the n value here? 50. Apply in this formula 50. 50 plus 1 whole divided by 2. Now this is actually 50 into 51 whole divided by 2. 2 table 50 is 25. So what is the multiplication here? 2 and 25. 5 ones are 5. 5 5s are 25. 2 ones are 2. 2 5s are 10. 5, 7, 2, 1. So 1275. Same way, the second problem. Find the value of sum of first 60 natural number, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 goes on up to 60. Your n value here is 60. Do it as homework. Now third problem. Find the value of 16 plus 17 plus 18 goes on up to 75. See, all the numbers here are natural numbers, but this formula holds only that series starts from 1 without leaving any number in between. The number is supposed to complete here over here. That is 16 plus 17 plus 18 goes on up to 75, but it doesn't start with 1. We can rewrite this given series to apply this formula. See, I am going to rewrite this series. Starts from 1. Sum of 16 up to 75 it is. I am going to sum up to 75 starts with 1. This is sum of first 75 natural number. I am subtracting sum of first 50 natural numbers. See, from the sum of first 75 natural number, I can subtract the sum of first 50 natural number. This gives me sum of natural number starts from 16 to 75. Now this formula is applicable over here because this is sum of first 75 natural numbers and this is sum of first 50 natural numbers. So n value here is 75. 75 and 75 plus 1 is 76 whole divided by 2 minus this is n value here is 15. 15 into 16 whole divided by 2. 2 table this is 38 times. This is 8 times. Now what is 75 into 38? 8 5s are 40. 8 7s are 56 plus 4, 60. 3 5s are 15. 3 7s are 21 plus 1, 22. 0, 5, 8, 2. 2, 8, 5, 0 minus. What is 15 8s are? 8 5s are 40. Remaining 4. 8 1s are 8 plus 4 is 12. This subtraction gives you this value. I will give you one more homework problem. Find the value of goes on up to 92. Do it as a homework. Hit behind this problem is again this formula is applicable only the series starts from 1 without lifting any number. You supposed to approach the n value here. Select the hint over here. So the hint of this problem is, so 51 plus 52 goes on up to 92. Sum of first 92 natural numbers minus, so here it starts from 51, no, you want to subtract up to 50, sum of first 50 natural numbers. So now we can apply this formula and find the solution. This is homework problem. Fourth problem. Now fifth one. Find the value of 3 plus plus 9 goes on up to 96. Now observe this. This problem does not starts with 1 and many number left out between each two numbers. 3 and 6 in between, 4 and 5 is there, 6 to 9 in between, 7 and 8 is there. So many numbers left out here, but you actually observe this question. It is simply based on this 3 plus 6 plus 9 goes on up to 96. If you take 3 as a common, you will get 1 plus, that is 3 ones are 3 again. And inside the 6 also this is 3 twos are. If you take 3 outside, you will get 2. And this is 3 threes are 9. If you take 3 outside, you will get 3 here. And this is 96. 3 into 32 is 96. You can check it also by multiplying. So this is sum of first 32 natural number. Your n value here is 32. Apply the formula 32 into 32 plus 1, 33 whole divided by 2. 2 times 1 time, this is 16. Now what is 16 into 33? 3 6 are 18. 3 1s are 3 plus 1, 4. Again this is 48, 8, 12, 528. So 528. 3 into 528. Now you want to multiply this by 3 and 3 8s are 24. This is 2. 3 2s are 6, 7, 8. 3 5s are 15. This is your answer. I will give you one problem homework in this same pattern. That is 6th one. Find the value of two plus 4 plus 6. It goes on up to 80. Hint behind here is the same one. You can take 2 as a common outside, because here this problem, each and every element in this series is a multiple of 3. Here also each and every member in this series is multiple of 2. The hint here is you want to take 2 as a common outside number. Take this as homework. So we have seen 6 problems based on this one particular formula. We are moving to another part. Next special series. So now, what is 1 square plus 2 square? This is 1 plus 4 and this value gives you 5. I can read this as sum of squares of 2 natural number. That is actually sum of squares of first 2 natural number, because 1 and 2. Now, what is the square of 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square value? This is sum of squares of first 3 natural number. We can't say sum of squares of 3 natural numbers. This formula, this special series formula completely based on first. It's supposed to come from 1. So, sum of squares of first 3 natural number. This is 1 plus 4 plus 3 square is 9 and this value is 14. So, this is easy for us to calculate. If suppose I ask you to find what is sum of squares of first 19 natural number, means you feel difficult to tell the answer. It takes time to calculate it, but it is possible as to calculate, but it takes time. So, we are going to study some more new formula which gives us answer with less time. So, sum of squares of first n natural numbers. Formula is 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square goes on up to, I don't know what number it is, but it is true for any natural number. So, I am writing n square. It can be any natural number indirectly denoting by a variable, and the formula is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 whole divided by 6. Okay, we shall check this pattern right now. 1 square plus 2 square, if I want to find the answer, means I can directly calculate it by this way. By using formula, how I can calculate this? So what is the last number in the series? 2. This is n square, that is n value here is 2. Substitute here n is 2, 2, 2 plus 1, 2 into 2, that is 4 plus 1, whole divided by 6. This is actually 2 into 3 into 5 whole divided by 6. 2 table 1 times, 3 times, 3 table, 3 will get cancelled, so 5. You will get the same answer by using this formula. This formula is proved by the method of principle of mathematical induction that you will study in your 11th standard. Even we can derive this formula by using any algebraic formula also. Later in my session I will explain you by proving this. Now sum of squares of first 3 natural numbers. Without doing actual calculation, I am going to find by using this formula. My n value is 3. 3 into 3 plus 1 is 4. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 is 7 whole divided by 6. 3 table 1 times, this is 2 times. 2 table 1 times, this is 2 times. 7 2s are 14 as usual what we get before. Now I want to find what is sum of squares of first 19 natural number. This is my first question. I want to find the sum of squares of first 19 natural numbers. One square plus 2 square plus 3 square goes on up to 19 square. So write this question once. Now compare this with formula. What is your n value? N is equal to 19. Instead of n, replace by 19. 19, 19 plus 1. And I am going to use square bracket here. 2 into 19. In the place of n only, I am replacing by 19 plus 1 whole divided by 6. Now 19 into 19 plus 1 is 20. What is 2 into 19? 38. 38 plus 1? 39. Whole divided by 6. If I cancel this by 2 table, this is 10 and this is 3. 3 table 1 time, this is 1, 3. What is the multiplications of 19 into 3? 19. 19 into 13, sorry. 3 9s are 27, 2. 3 1s are 3, 4, 5, 9, 1, 7 and this is 14, 247. So 10 into 247 gives you 2470. Such a way you want to find the answer for sum of squares of first 19 natural number. I will give you one more homework problem. Sum of squares of first 25 natural number. Take it as homework. Same way in the place of n you want to replace this by 25 in the formula. Now third problem, which is little more different from the previous one. Find the value of 6 square plus 7 square plus 8 square goes on up to 21 square. Now this formula does not value over here, but by rewriting this given question we can use this formula. For this we need to start the series from 1 square. Here it is starting from 6 square ends up to 21 square. So I am going to start with the sum of squares of first 21 natural numbers. 1 square, 2 square, 3 square goes on up to 21 square. Up to this, here it is starting from 6. Now I am going to subtract the sum of squares of first 5 natural numbers. 2 square goes on up to 5 square. Taken sum of squares of first 21 natural numbers, subtracting sum of squares of first 5 natural number. Now this formula is applicable here. Instead of n, I am having 21. So n 21, 21 plus 1, 22. 2 into 21 is 42 plus 1, 43 whole divided by 6 minus my n value is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 1 is 11 whole divided by 6. Now in 2 table this is 11 times. 6 is 3 times. In 3 table 21 is 7 times. Here 6 get cancelled. What is 43 into 7? 43 into 7. 7 3s are 21. 7 4s are 28 plus 2 30. Now 301 into 11, which is actually 301 gives you 1133. 3311 minus 55. 3256. I will give you one more homework problem with the same method. And fourth problem, find the value of 15 square, 16 square, 17 square, goes on up to 28 square. Do it as homework. Hint for this problem. Hint for this problem is, take the series. It's supposed to start with 1 square. So I'm going to sum the squares of first 28 natural numbers. Subtract. It is starting from 15 now, so you want to subtract from 14 up to 14. 1 square plus 2 square goes on up to 14 square. Now you can apply this formula. Now one more problem. Find the value of 1 plus 4 plus 9 goes on up to 225. By seeing this problem, you will get doubt whether it is based on previous one formula or this one. Observe this clearly. Each number is a square of one natural number. This is actually 1 plus 4 can be written as 2 square. So 1 can be written as 1 square is 1, 4 is 2 square, 9 is 3 square, goes on up to 225 is actually 15 square. Now you are supposed to apply in this formula. Your n value here is 15. 15 into 16 into 15 2s are 30 plus 1 31 whole divided by 6. If you cancel this by in 3 table, you will get this is 2 times, this is 5 times, 2 table this is 8 times. 8 5s are 40 into 31. Value here is 4 3s are 12. Okay. Now we are going to see one more pattern formula in special series. Next special series is sum of cubes of first n natural numbers. Sum of cubes of n natural number. Formula is 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube goes on up to, it can be any natural number, so n cube. This formula is similar to the sum of first n natural number, that is n into n plus 1 whole divided by 2. The only difference between this formula and there is it has whole square here. This formula also can be proved by the method of principle of mathematical induction. That method you will study in your 11th standard, and there is some more method to derive this formula using any algebraic formula also. Now find the value of sum of cube of first 16 natural number. Now take the series, goes on up to 16 cube. Here compare this with the formula, n value here is 16. So in the place of n replace 16, 16 plus 1 whole divided by 2 to the whole square. This is actually 16 into 17 whole divided by 2 to the whole square. Don't skip to write the whole square in each and every step. So 8 sevens are 56, 8 ones are 8 plus 5, 13, 136 the whole square. So what is 136 the whole square? 136 into 136, 6 6 are 36, 3, 6 3s are 18 plus 3, 19, 20, 21, 6 ones are 6, 7, 8. Now 3 6 are 18, 3 3s are 9 plus 1, 10, 3 ones are 3 plus 1, 4, 6, 3, 1. This addition gives you 18496. I will give you one more problem as homework in this pattern. So, second problem is homework for you. Sum of cubes of first 20 natural numbers. Take this as homework. Third problem. Find the value of 10 cube, 11 cube, 12 cube goes on up to 20 cube. Now take this series. Now take sum of cubes of first 20 natural number. So the series starts from 10 more. You have to subtract sum of cubes of first 9 natural numbers. This gives you sum of cubes of natural number starts from 10 to 20. So here compare this formula. Now in the place of n, here you have 20. In the place of n, here you have 9. You want to substitute in this formula. In the place of n now 20, 20 plus 1, 21 whole divided by 2 to the power 2, and here n is 9, 9 into 10 whole divided by 2 to the power 2. So this is 2 table, this is 10 times, here it is 5. Now this is 210 the whole square minus 9 5s are 45 square. So this is actually 441, and here W0 you will get 2025. This is actually, now if you subtract this, what you will get? 2 5. Here it is 0 9 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 2 is 7. And this is 0 2 4. So your answer is 42075. So we will conclude the session.